Hi, my name is Jean. Welcome to Johnny's workshop. Today we'll be looking into this lane changer and see how it's been modified for Oxigen. So this is what it looks like originally, with the sensor on the side of the slot. Here shows there's a polarity for the solenoid coil, but I believe with the Oxigen lane brain you won't need to worry about that, but nevertheless I did mark which one was the positive with a bit of paint. And once it's converted, it looks like this. You will notice on this video that the polarity here is different from there if you look at the color-coded wires. That is because Carrera is wired the other way around. I mean, I could go around and change all the colors, but what interested me is really hit this bit. You got to make sure the positive is on this side and the negative there. Unless of course you want to use the original Carrera system alongside with this, and then you have to wire it the other way around. Originally they supply with their own wires, but I prefer to use my own with different colors so I can color code them. So the power wires here are the original from this piece of track. I removed it from the original board and placed it here. And of course this coil is the original. It had to be drilled there with a 3mm drill for the infrared to function. And they go pretty much straightforward in it. They can use the same sort of holding posts, if I may call it like that. And the other thing you need to watch out when you're putting these the sensors board is that they're not very flush to the track itself. I needed to cut some of the surface here to make it flush with this level here. You see there are two levels. So I start with a knife and cutting to make this level. And there's plenty of, it's very chunky, there's plenty of plastic there. And what you need to do is to cut on the back plate an opening, so there's some clearance for the components on the board to, you know, otherwise you start warping the back plate. And here you can see more or less what it looks like. So there's plenty of clearance for the components. You will notice on the sensor board the 1, 2, 3 are on both sides, so when you have a crossover you can, for example, if there was a board here, you can solder on this side, and like I did here on this one. Now a good trick I found when I was converting is to once you've done these openings here and you want to make more, is to mirror. For example, if you have a crossover or the opposite direction of the one you already converted, is to, when you place it on top like this, you will mirror and you can trace it so it's the same opening. For example, a right-hander would be good to convert to left-handed, or a crossover, and vice versa. And I use the left and the right to convert an entire crossover, basically. Thank you all for watching, and see you next time.